Alright guys, the other boats that we saw that caught our attention is the Four Winds. Check it out. HD3 is the OB. These boats are deck boats as well, but the style of them is pretty cool. Check out this one. This is a 350 Horizon OB 2020. This beam is pretty big. I mean, you definitely can't. Oh, I can't have this in my house. I mean, this thing is huge, but it is beautiful. If I had somewhere to store. Look at this. Wow. You know what I really like? I really like the style of these deck boats.
It's nice on there.
I recorded the inside. I want to go check out the other ones. I wanted to actually go check out the ones over there, but somebody's on there already, so I'm gonna check out this one right here. This is a 24 footer. Let's see the specifications of this one right here. HD5. Nope, this one's good for me. The beam is 8.5. Let's check it out. You know, these styles are like the deck boat styles, which is pretty much the type of boat that I have. Looking cool. This is literally like our Tahoe that we have, 2150. The style of it, it's the same, except that this one has a little bathroom area here, I think. Yeah, look, see, this one has a little bathroom area in there. And this one's a 24 footer. Look at the space. Let's see if I can open up this. This one has a little bimini top that actually comes down. And it's raining. It's raining here.
I like it.
This one right here?
Pero me gusta más el Rigo que este.
Yeah, so far, yeah, the Regal looks really nice. All right, let me see what other boats I can show you guys. This is the Wellcraft, the Scarab edition. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. So, what do you think about this one? This is definitely like a fisher boat. You want to go out fishing. It's an open fisherman. It's the offshore boats. I guess that's why it says down there offshore. I'm honestly more into the deck boat style. That's why I guess that a lot of these boats are now doing this type of area in the front. You can see. But they are really, really nice boats. But since I don't typically go out deep into the ocean fishing, as you guys already know, I just go to sandbars. I don't think that this will be the type of boat that I would trade my boat for. So this is a 26 footer. The beam is 9. All right, so see, those are the boats that I mean, I'll show you guys, but these aren't the ones that you guys are gonna want to buy because you probably don't have. I mean, maybe I'm not accurate. Maybe you guys have a couple of followers here and there that are probably millionaires. I mean, God knows if you're a millionaire, message me in this in this video and prove me wrong. Be like, hey, I'm a millionaire. What are you talking about? I like those boats. You should have shown me those boats. But I'm showing you guys boats that you guys could possibly come out here one day and purchase yourself, finance them, and you guys could be out there in the water having a good time. All right, guys, these are the Formula, also deck boat style, as you guys can see. A lot of these boats are very similar in a lot of their designs.
Just have lujo.
Just depends on what specific items you're looking at, or you know, whatever features they have. You know, this one has, for example, a little refrigerator there. But once you're on the boat and you're out there in the sandbar and you're having a good time with friends and family and you guys are drinking, honestly, for real, people are not really looking at the details of your boat. They're more interested in getting to the location. They're interested in having a good time, drinking, and yeah, the boat is nice. But a lot of these boats, as you can see, they are very similar. Nice in their own way. And they have different specifications. There you go. This is the Formula style. This is too big for what I'm looking for. I need something that's like 8'6", the beam, 8 feet 6 inches. This one apparently is, says here, maximum beam 9'6". And per month, wow, Jesus, look at that, $2,105 a month. I'm running back to Regal. I'm running back to Regal, guys. Wow. Regardless, this thing is nice. Let's take a look at this area here. Woo! Look at this. Look at this, man. Guys, you're looking at $1 million boat right here. $1 million boat right here. This Formula. Wow. But good luck on paying that. $6,417 a month. As you can see out here, for a lot of the boat show, it is raining, it is wet. I think it's time for me to go get a drink. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, so this is apparently, it's a new model. You guys can tell by the stickers that's on this boat. Let's check it out. Let's see what's up with these boats. It's called Cutwater. Is it because it cuts the water? Let's check it out. Alright. Okay, this is pretty nice. It's a 24 footer. The beam, it's 8'6". 24 footer. Wait, is that 24? Yeah. I don't know. Now I'm confused because it says 29 there. Motor down, 29 feet. Uh-huh. Color exclusive clear bow. I guess this down here is a bathroom. Let's see. Yeah, look. But you know what? There's really not that much space here. You really think about it. Like this whole section here, this whole council area here, takes up all that space. I mean, the boat looks nice, but I mean, it takes up a lot of space. Look at the size of this thing. And look at the space you have in the front. I mean, you hardly have any space in the front and whatsoever. Yeah, so. Okay. Well, let's go check out. I mean, I guess this is meant for fishing because it has all that space back there. It has rod holders in the back, has a sink back there. But for what we use it for, I mean, I don't know. Alright, so we're inside of one that actually has an enclosed area here, so let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Wow. Space. There's a little cabin in the bottom. Yeah, this is different. But see, the cabin that's inside is completely enclosed. So you're literally inside the whole entire time in this enclosed cabin when you're driving your boat. So whether it's raining outside or it's not, you're always basically in here. That's pretty cool though. It has a little table area here.
And then you move this acá.
Garmin.
También for the little tables. Then we can play some dominoes.
Oh, look at that. And then you have this outside area here.
For cheeses for the boys.
This is nice. I would stay here. Yeah, right. Not bad. Let's see. It's $114,000. It says, oh, look at that. The beam is perfect size beam, 8.6. I guess this is a 32 footer. I'm a bit confused. I'm gonna have to verify this. It says LOA motor down 31 foot 2 inches. But then yeah, this is a 24 coupe. So I don't know. Usually the boats that have the numbers on top like that, I guess that's usually the size of the boat. But I guess that in this case it's not. So I don't know, guys. I don't know much about boats. I'm just a YouTuber. That's all. With a boat. That's it.
Todo que I don't know.
Specifications. Oh, okay. Well, there you go, guys. And it's starting to rain really hard, so we just might stay in here for a bit. Either that, or we're gonna head out to the drinking area and have ourselves a couple of drinks. But it is raining pretty hard outside right now, and I guess this shows that you could actually stay in here while it's raining outside. The AC is blasting in here, so it was nice and comfortable. Right? Yeah. Alright, let me close the door.
There you go.
Yeah.
Social distance now.
And it almost soundproofs the whole entire area. Because all you hear now is just the AC blasting in here.
Abre aquí.
Pretty cool.
Abre.
Refrigerator? I don't know how to open this. And I don't want to break it. Oh, I think
Ah, tiene una cosita, ¿no? No, aquí. Ahí, mira, ese mero. Slip out, eso no se mueve, sí.
oh, look at that.
Ay, ay, ay.
Little mini fridge.
Eso no tiene bueno, ayuda. Ve, este no toma. Toma, toma.
Alright guys, so I'll catch you in the next boat. Let's see what's up. Alright guys, so I'm here with Lorenzo, and he's going to give some information about this Cutwater boats, which is the first time that we actually see this brand, and he wanted to give some information about it. So what do you got to say about these boats?
Well, our Cutwater boats are very aggressive hulls. They run really nice in the water. Unlike our original boat, the Ranger Tug's boats, a lot of people love to lay out a boat. There's some people that don't like the look of a tug, so we came out with Cutwater, which is a more down-eastern, sportier boat. And they typically they always have larger engines on them. It's more of a...
It's a family boat, basically. Yeah, which is what we were looking at. We like the fact that the cabin, this whole area here is enclosed. And you know, although the boats have cabins that they go down, but this is the only one that I've seen in this size, basically, that has this whole area enclosed. And I'm sorry, this latch here closes, and you can actually lock yourself in here.
That's
like if you were to anchor somewhere and try to stay overnight in the water, you can close that door and lock it from the inside, right?
That's right.
And I saw this thing down here, had like a small, it's super tiny. That's like a little space out here.
This is a single sleeping spot for the dog or the kids that you don't like.
Oh my god.
Dogs are the kids you don't like.
What about the husband?
I know, but it's like really small. I mean, someone could literally sleep in there if they really wanted to. You really, you know, had the opportunity.
And the table goes down as well, and this becomes another sleeping area as well.
Oh, for it? Oh, this whole area goes down and gets flat.
So how does it go down? It just here?
It goes down like this.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
And then there is a cushion that goes on top of it.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
So it's another bed area there. Wow, this is pretty cool.
Oh, okay. And that was pretty easy though.
Is this the first year this model comes out?
I'm sorry?
Is this the first year this model comes out, or it's been out for a while?
No, we've been making a 24 coupe since 2011.
Okay.
The outboards are new to us since 2017.
Got it. Got it.
Which is awesome because we, in a Florida market, that's what people want, especially doing intercoastal cruising.
Yeah.
The waterways here, it's very nice. So.
Awesome. All right, Lorenzo, thank you for that information. You want to give the phone number if somebody wants to contact your company to find that information?
If you are in Tampa Bay area and you want a Cutwater Ranger tail, you can come see me. My office number is 941-417-7970.
All right, Lorenzo, but thanks a lot for your time, brother.
No problem.
Pero no,
So this is 24 feet. I was right about the number. Lorenzo explained to me. This is a 24-foot boat, but with the motor down, that's what this number is here. It says 31.2. With the motor and including, I guess, the front end of the boat, he said that it is a total of 31 foot. So regardless, if I'm gonna park this somewhere in my house, putting it with a trailer, I have to have 31 feet space to be able to actually fit the entire boat. But it's nice, I like it.
What are y'all doing this afternoon?
All right, so we got some more of these. There's a bigger one right here, 29 footer, 27, 25 footer. We're doing good. Lorenzo provided us a lot of information about these boats. We're pretty interested in this C24.
Yeah, that's
very nice.
Little boat.
Yeah.
I trailered one of those to Maryland.
You trailered it? All right. With what truck?
Chevy 2500.
Okay, not bad. Nice, nice.
Pulled it just fine.